DKNG Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Immediately with DraftKings, I do see a little correction down for 6%, but let's zoom out and just look at where we are. Let's not forget where we freaking are, because I know it's a full-on demand zone, and that's great, because all I'm looking to do further up from here is buy more. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, sure. I'm not saying that I'm buying straight up tomorrow, Tuesday. Bro, I need to wait a couple of days at least. I mean, I do need more data for me to be buying here. More candles need to appear. But last thing that I'm going to be doing is randomly getting involved. So I will surely continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.